You're looking for a set of Raven Crow battery operated and electrical lighting. This is something that you may be looking for. We're going to show you what you get inside. Your Raven and Crow lamp has an E14 bulb that screws into the socket. Simply hang into the crow's mouth and plug into an outlet. It lights up and placed onto a table that holds the light. The Crow and Raven light also comes with lanterns that simply can hang into the crow's mouth as well. There are two types of lanterns. On the bottom of the lantern, remember to remove the battery protector, turn the light on, and that is the second way of the Crow lighting up. Battery operated as well as AC. We have another light that lights up as well. You're looking to decorate a shelf, book room, library room, your hallway, dining room, and more. These Crow and Raven lantern sculptures may be something that you are looking for. They're nice in design. It's black. Check online for further details about the product and what you are after. Place them on bookends, corner shelves, the corner by the TV stand, and more. Acts as a night light wherever you want to put. I hope you enjoyed the Raven and Crow set lighting for your lighting needs. Thank you for viewing.